Today we will be looking at a 30-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of indicators and strategies over on my other YouTube channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 30-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up from my other channel. This is the testing scoreboard where we have tested hundreds of indicators and strategies. As you can see, we have tested 81 different strategies. We've tested 882 indicators, and we've tested 81 indicators in the retesting stage. If you are interested in the full list of these indicators and strategies that we have tested, we've compiled all that information into Excel sheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. You can find a link to my other channel down below. You can also find a link to our Patreon down below as well. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 30-minute day trading strategy. And so this strategy consists of two different indicators. So we have the EMA on screen and we have the Donchian channels on screen. And the setup on this is pretty easy. When price is above the EMA and the Donchian channel is making a new high, then that is a signal to go long. When price is below the EMA, the red EMA, and the Donchian channel is making a new low, that is a signal to go short. Well, before we take a look at the testing of this, if you would please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Even if it's not a profitable trading strategy, please don't give it a thumbs down. Giving the video a thumbs up helps the YouTube algorithm, and we definitely want to keep YouTube happy. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Now, of course, in the source video we got this from, it claims that this is the most profitable Donchian channel strategy that you can use. And so we are putting that to the test. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers here real quick. So we did 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades. And so that's going to put us at a 30% win rate. Now, with the way the stop and take profit is set up on this, that's not going to be a very profitable setup on this. And so the Donchian channel, like I said, was used very similar to the turtle trading style, and I've played around with the turtle trading style, the turtle strategy a little bit, and I've never had a lot of great success with it. Maybe in the past it worked well, but I definitely haven't been able to get it to work out very well. And so if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, then check out the strategy that we have developed over on my other channel after testing those hundreds of indicators and strategies. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. That's the thumbnail of the video that I did on this channel, and I will also link to it at the end of this video. It's a profitable trading strategy. Like I said, we have back tested it, we have forward tested it, we're constantly tweaking and making changes to it, optimizing it even more, and we are also looking to automate the strategy here in the near future. Hopefully that'll be done before long, and once that is done, any of our current patrons will get a discounted version of that. So there's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here and move on to the next video from here.